And the result is as follows. Is it on a point of order?
Judge President, we have issues that we want to raise as per the rules of the House.
Which rule, sorry?
Rule 8.
Rule 8?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on for me. So the rules that we are operating on today are those that have been issued by the Chief Justice?
Yes.
Rule 8, yes.
The unforeseen procedural matters.
Yes.
Judge President, we firstly, Honourable Member Dix raised a matter that the honourable members on that side, when they vote, they show each other that they are voting.
Just hold on. Order me, please.
From the 17%, Judge President. So now what they are doing.
Please, order.
So now I'm raising this matter simply because what they were doing. Firstly, Judge President, you said there must be no recording whatsoever. But now we see these honourable members from the 17% on videos that are now circulating on social media. When they are voting, they are showing each other they are voting. So now we feel that it's not going to be right that you give us the results because of what was happening. That's number one. And number two.
Order, please.
And number two, I think I would suggest that because of what they are doing, because there's no longer any secret in their voting. They are just showing everybody. In particular, Judge President, they are showing the leader of the 17%. I would say that. So I request.
Order, please.
I request that one, we revote. And when we revote, Judge President, the ballots, they must not show them, because we raised the matter earlier, that they can see what we are doing. It's no longer secret. So we request, and I'll tell you why I request this. I'm requesting this because, firstly, there is something that is circulating around that says IEC can never be trusted. And if these things are happening like this, we feel that there is no secret.
Order, please.
So
order.
I'm requesting that. And as I was saying, there are videos circulating on social media. I do have a proof of honorable members voting and showing each other. So we feel that if you continue giving us the results, it won't be fair. As we are here today because of the IEC. That is why we have this 17% now bullying us, showing each other what they are doing. Thanks, Honourable Chair.
Thank you, Honourable Member. Thank you. I think you will be the last person because I had initially said I was not going to allow a lot of debate on these issues. Yes.
Is it on? Okay, it's on. I'm not part of your coalition. Don't ever do that.
Honourable Member, please address me.
Honourable
Order,
Judge,
please.
Honourable Judge, President, and the House.
Order, please.
And the House, especially our comrades of the MK and the EFF. I've been raising my hand. You did not note or take my hand. Before even the session of election of the voting started, I've been raising my hand. I'm very much concerned about that, Honourable Judge President, because we wanted to raise issues that are valid, that are a matter on this process. You simply ignored me. We believe that when we're voting, it's a secret. we raised a concern about the table of voting that is faced to the other members, of which is no longer a secret when it's like that. Why the table was not facing the wall, so that everybody who's voting will be voting secretly, freely, so as per the democracy that we are in South Africa. Why should when we're voting, other members are acting like party agents and the reps? There are two members of the other political parties that were making sure that they see everything that is happening on that table box when we were voting. Why did you not take our concerns when it comes to that? So this voting that was happening is no longer a secret. It's no longer freely. So that doesn't determine the democracy that we are in. We need to revote. That's what we need to do.
Thank you, honorable members. When the voting presumed, I was alerted firstly to the fact that other members could see how others were voting in the box, and I regulated that. After a short while, I ensured that all the cameras were off, and I even asked that they all be switched off, and that was done. And after a while, I was again alerted, I think by Mr. Dex, Honorable Dex, that other members were showing other members how they were voting. I did not see that, but I called the House to order. And the voting proceeded. I left the House without any objections or any issues. I am now back, and I'm going to pronounce on the results of the votes. I'm not going to be taking any more hands. I will now announce the results. Honorable Twala, Honorable Mr. Twala, if you can just take your seat. You must take your seat and then I can recognize you. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. I've asked you to take your seat. Yes, please, Mr. Honorable Twala.
The guiding document